This is the line of control village in the Uri sector, and last night the entire area, several villages on the Uri sector stood witness to heavy artillery and artillery attack and shelling by Pakistani forces. And right now, what you see is the security forces are conducting a search operation on these sites to ensure that if at all there are mortars or shelling components which have been fired by Pakistan, which have not blasted, they are combing the entire area in order to ensure that any such material is not left. And the security forces are on the ground. So it is three-pronged approach. Number one, rescuing the villagers, those who used to live in these areas, in these localities, neighborhoods. Number two, search operation on the ground to ensure no elements such as mortars are left which might have grounded out here and has not blasted, so that needs to be removed as well. But along with that, one more visual that's coming. There's a gas cylinder which has possibly blasted in the night while that shelling happened out here in this particular area. Just look at the devastation which has happened. Even the small metal particles have come on the ground, and these could have actually caused a lot of damage to individuals, to the residents out here. So it does what it does. These images, what it does two things. Number one, Pakistan's cowardly attack on Indian civilians are being exposed by these visuals right now. That's a big expose as to how Pakistan has responded to India's, attack against the terror breeding grounds in Pakistan, occupied Kashmir and Pakistan, with attacks on civilians one after other. First, we saw these attacks happening in Gingal village in Salamabad, where we also have our hydropower projects. And right now, last night when they were Pakistan was firing missiles, drones in Indian cities such as Jammu, and all these attempts were thwarted by our agency's air defense system. So what they also did simultaneously was they resorted to undiscriminate artillery attacks and shelling in these areas of which are located on the line of control right now. And remember, these are villages which have not witnessed such shelling ever since 1998. That's what the locals say. You can see the security forces right now are combing the area to look whether any mortar or any component which might not have blasted last night, which was fired by Pakistani forces from the other side of the border, whether it's still lying there, that needs to be removed. The gas cylinders in heat area, that could blast as well, so that is also being removed. What we see out here is that machineries are kept, that is also damaged, but we'll also get you visuals of more houses that has been completely shattered and demolished due to the artillery and shelling that has been done by the Pakistani forces from across the border. Another shop completely destroyed on the main road of Lagma village. Remember Lagma, Bandi village, Gingal village, Salamabad, Kamal Kot. The list is quite long, where Pakistan has resorted to cowardly, dastardly attack on the civilians. Even when India responded to Pakistan's, misadventure of trying to target Indian cities, Indian establishments in northern India and western India through air attacks, India thwarted all those attempts. Indian air defense system stood rock solid, and India responded to Pakistan's that act with exposing Pakistan's failure where Islamabad, Lahore, and even Rawalpindi was in a way breezed by Indian armed air attacks. But that was not on the civilians, neither on their military establishments. But right now, what we could see on the ground is that while Pakistan, was trying to attack our cities where civilians live, like Jammu and all other areas in North India, Pathankot, several cities of Pakistan. What is happening on the ground is that they were also resorting to heavy artillery attack, shelling on the villages on line of control. Indian armed forces is on the ground to protect every citizen. It's a cowardly act but it also exposes Pakistan's real face in front of the world as to how Pakistan is resorting when India attacked the breeding ground of terrorism in Pakistan occupied Kashmir and Pakistan. What Pakistan did was they are targeting the innocent villagers living on the line of control in Uri sector in India and even across Jammu and Kashmir along the line of control with video journalist Manish Jha. This is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Baramulla.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.